Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and a warm welcome to all of you whoever watching this video. So this was my first YouTube video wherein I have shared the Nykaa Hot Pink sale haul and I was so excited to share this video with you all. So thank you so much for all the love and support you have showed me. So guys, these are the two products which I was talking about. I'll be reviewing both the products. So both the products are from Azafran Organics and these products are Indian based product. If you are a supporter of vocal for local, then obviously you can go for it. So first I will go with this one. This is a product from Azafran Organics and this is a moisturizer. This is a daily 3-in-1 moisturizer. So why it is a 3-in-1 moisturizer? Why it claims that it is a 3-in-1 moisturizer? Because it will brighten your skin, it will moisturize your skin and it will reduce all the blemishes from your skin. And it truly does what it claims, guys, because I have been using, in this video you will find me where I will be telling you that I have been using this product, and 2 years is a hell lot of time. When you use a product for 2 years, you're most experienced and most comfortable with this product. So I would like to tell you more about Azafran Organics. This is a product which is not very well known, so I would like to share what is Azafran Organics and what Azafran Organic products are meant for. These Azafran Organic products are not natural products. We have a misconception between natural product and organic product. Natural products are those which are completely natural. There are no chemicals in it. There are nothing. So these are completely natural and their shelf life is also very low. But in organic product, they have some chemicals, but these are the products which are organic. These are the product which have some chemicals, but chemical doesn't mean that these are like those toxic chemicals. These are more on the natural side, more on the mineral side, so this won't harm you. So they use this botanical extract while creating their product. Also they uses various vitamins in the product. So yes, obviously vitamins are good for our skin, so they also have this vitamin thing in their products. And also they helps to balance the pH level of our skin. Like if you are a combination skin, then also you can use this product. If you are a oily skin, if you are a normal skin person, or if you have acne on your skin, then also you can go for this product. So जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि ये paraben free है and sulfate free है. So in most of the products, like those products which are not natural, those products which are not organic, we will find that in the ingredients there is written paraben है या फिर sulfate है. So what does paraben and what does sulfate does to your skin? So paraben causes hormonal disruption, and sulfate causes eye irritation, acne and blemishes on your skin, rashes on your skin. Like if you have a sensitive skin, then obviously this paraben and sulfate thing is a very dangerous thing for your skin. So most of the time हम लोग products जो देखते हैं पैराबिन होता है, बट फिर भी हम लोग खरीदते हैं वो सब प्रोडक्ट्स. बट देन व्हेन वी यूज दोज प्रोडक्ट, फिर स्किन ब्रेक्स आउट. सो दैट्स द रीज़न कि हम लोग चाहते हैं कि प्रोडक्ट्स वैसा हो जिसमें पैराबिन ना हो. And most of the Korean products, because I am a sucker for Korean products, and Korean products, most of them, all of the Korean products are paraben free, are sulfate free. So इंडिया में बहुत कम ही ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स है जो पैराबिन फ्री होता है, जो सल्फेट फ्री होता है. सो दिस इज अ प्रोडक्ट यू शुड गो फॉर, बिकॉज दिस आर एब्सोल्युटली नॉट अ पैराबिन प्रोडक्ट, नॉट अ सल्फेट बेस्ड प्रोडक्ट. सो यहाँ पे और एक चीज़ लिखा हुआ है जो कि आपको ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. दिस इज फॉर्मुलेटेड विद नेचुरल एंड बॉटनिकल एक्सट्रैक्ट. एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, दिस इज बॉटनिकल एक्सट्रैक्ट्स होते हैं इनमें. सो इनका कलर चेंज हो सकता है. सो देयर कलर मे वेरी, बट इट डजंट मीन दैट दिस हैज़ एक्सपायर्ड. सो दिस हैज़ अ शेल्फ लाइफ ऑफ टिल आई हैव बॉट दिस प्रोडक्ट. ये करीबन 1 साल हो गया. इट हैज़ बीन अ ईयर आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस प्रोडक्ट, बिकॉज बहुत you will need a very less quantity when you apply this on your skin, and this has a shelf life up to April 21. So yes guys, you can use this. So yes guys, shelf life भी इनका अच्छा होता है. So आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. So it will not expire. कलर अगर वैरी करता है, it doesn't mean that it has expired. Obviously when you buy a product you see the expiry date. So yes, So this is a product which you can like obviously go for. You can use this product. As I've already told you, I have been using this product and this has not disappointed me in any case. मैंने पहले भी बोला, अब भी बोल रही हूँ, this has not disappointed me. So obviously you can use this product and try. This is the smaller one, I guess, and this is in the this is for 350 rupees, which is not that pricey, and this is for 50 grams. So obviously this is not that pricey. So आप इसको obviously check out कर सकते हैं. You go and use this product. They also have their Instagram page. I will leave that on the description box, and also their link. You can go to their website. You can also find this product on Amazon and Nykaa, I guess. Yes, Amazon से तो obviously आपको मिलेगा. मैं आपका Amazon का description भी यहाँ पे डाल दूँगी, where you can find this product. And obviously if you are a natural and organic products lover, then you should go for this moisturizer. So next product is this Azafran Organic sunscreen. So this is a sunscreen from Azafran Organics, and this is a different SPF 50 plus creme. So this is a creme based sunscreen. This is not a gel based. So जैसे कि आपको पता ही है कि इंडिया में ह्यूमिडिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है. इंडियन वेदर्स आर सो ह्यूमिड that you need to make this sunscreen a compulsion. Like whichever brand you're using, whichever brand sunscreen you're using, you need to use sunscreen, and you need to make it compulsory whenever you head out of your home. Because like as I already said, like Indian weather is so humid that even if you are out of your home for 5 minutes, then also you will get a suntan, you will get burns on your skin. So it's very important that you use your sunscreen whenever you like go out of your home, like whenever you are exposed to sun. So with this Azafran Organic, you can absolutely have a protection for your skin. So this is a very good sunblock. So as I've already told you, this is a SPF 50 plus creme. This is a cream based product, and it is for all skin. So yes, of course, this is also a product which I have been using for quite some time, and I have seen a great difference on my skin because I am an office goer and I get exposed to sun a lot. So I need to like use this sunscreen every time whenever I go to my office, और ऑफिस से भी कभी मुझे निकलना पड़े किसी काम के लिए. So it's very important. And also it is this claims that this is very high broad spectrum, which gives protection for both for your face and body. So this is a cream which you can apply both on your face and also on your body. So this is a very good product this is rich in mineral water and organic soya butter. So इसमें soya butter भी है. So this is a very interesting thing. This is water resistant, of course, lightweight and non-greasy. So the most important thing which I like is this is a water resistant product. So it won't affect like if you get like exposed to water, and also this is very light on your skin. Of course, it claims it really does what it claims. Like when you apply on your skin, it just absorbs. You need to apply this like all sunscreen has the same rule. You need to apply this to your skin before 30 minutes of like moving out of your house. So you will apply this on your skin, and it will just like blend on your skin like you have not like applied anything. It will feel like you have not applied anything, and this is like suitable for all ages. Another most important thing is that this is suitable for all ages, and this is the most lovable thing that I like because my mom also uses this product. This is also organic product, and this is for 900. This is a bit pricey, but of course this is a good investment, you guys. So I think like अच्छा सा एक sunscreen ले लो, थोड़ा सा pricey होगा, but if it helps your skin, if it protects your skin, then of course you can invest like this much amount. You can invest on your skin. Like you can have only one sunscreen, you can pay $900 and then you can use it. Like you will be satisfied. Like I'm telling you, you will be satisfied after using this product. And this is for 100 gram, which is quite like satisfying, which is quite like justifying, because as I've already told you, it like does justice to what it claims. And now if I come to what it claims, it is a daily creme that provides high broad spectrum sun protection against harmful UVA rays and also UVB rays. Formulated with water rich in minerals of calcium, iron and magnesium. Then it is non-greasy, lightweight formula, hydrates with a water-like texture. Yes, this also has a very like light water-based texture, which I like most. I am also a sucker of water-based products. So it has a shea butter which moisturizes your skin. Okay, so you heard it right, this will also moisturize your skin. Like after you have used this moisturizer, you can apply this will like double moisturize your skin. So iska like how do you apply? You need to apply it 15 to 30 minutes before sun exposure. We apply every 20 minutes during swimming, workout or any sport activity. Of course, if you are out in the sun for any outdoor activity, then of course you need to apply it every 20 minutes so that you can get more protected. This is also paraben free and sulfate free. As I've already told you that all the products of Azafran Organics are paraben free and sulfate free, which are the most important thing that you must go for. And yes, so this is a very good product, and I just love Azafran Organics, and this doesn't have any smell. The sunscreen doesn't have any smell, but this is a good product. So yes, these are the two products. So these are the two products. These are the Azafran Organic Moisturizer and the sunscreen, which I have reviewed to you guys. So both the products are absolute favorite product for me, and as I've already told you, I have been using this product for such a long time that I am a fan of this product. I'm a sucker for both the products, and whenever like I restock them, like every time it comes to this level, so I will restock it now. I have like recently bought this one, so I will restock it now. And every time I go to, like I bought this from a local market store. You can also get this, as I've already, you can also get these on Amazon. And also I will like share you the they have a page in Instagram which I will share in the description box, and also I will share the Amazon link. So yes guys, if you find this review helpful, you can go and check out this product. They also have various variants. Moisturizer, the moisturizer ka bahut sara variants hai. You can like obviously go for the one you like. They also have moisturizer for oily skin, for dry skin. So they have various variants. So obviously you can go and check out on their page, on their website, or on Amazon, or on the Amazon link that I will be sharing. So you can go check out, and then you can decide whether you want to buy it or not. So that's all for today guys. So these were the two products which I have reviewed today. So hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you find this video like helpful, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also do comment like how did you like this video. And one more thing, I also have Instagram page, so I will be like sharing the link of my Instagram page on the description box. You can also go there and check out my Instagram page, and if you find my Instagram page helpful, interesting, then also you can go there and follow my page, because I'm quite active on my Instagram page. So yes guys, that is all for today. So I will meet you on the next video very soon. Till then, bye bye, take care, love you.